Hey friends, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to extend your display on Windows 11. So if you have multiple monitor or at least one monitor, external monitor connected to your computer, you can extend the display. You don't have to duplicate it. So to do that, you want to right click on your desktop, right? And just click on where it says display settings right there, and this is going to open up on your computer, and here you will see where it shows your display. As you can see, I have two monitors right here, one, two, and so you will be able to see them. And you want to look on the right hand side, and here you can see it shows extend these displays. Yours might be showing duplicate these display, or show one only, or show two only, and so you just want to click it, the drop down, and select extend display. Once you do that, you will see how it flows, and you can use your mouse to move and to show you how it moves from different monitors. And you can always move them around. See, you can always move them around to basically position it how you want, and then click on apply.
Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel, and of course, so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now, let's continue.
And you can also select different monitor and choose make as the main display. Choose whichever one you want, set it as your main display. You can do that as well, and see you have even more options available to you. So that's all that you have to do. That's how easy it is to extend your display on Windows 11.